In this video, I'm going to talk about how to work with numbers in Excel. Let's consider this data here. We have a monthly expense here. As you can see, when you enter data as text, this January, February, March, April, the data is aligned in the left side. But if you see the numbers, it's aligned in the right side. As you can see here or here. Why this is happening like this? Because it is very logical to have your numbers like this. If we have decimal numbers, then it will be aligned in the right and the decimal numbers will be readable as it is aligned in the right side. But with the text, it need to be in the left side. So it's making more sense to the decimal to be straight. Sometimes if you have numbers stored as text, you will see this green alert here in the top left side. So if you click on this, it will show something like this. Right now, if I use a function with these values, it will not work. As you can see, if I enter, it doesn't work. But if I use the same function here, as you can see, it will calculate those values here. As you see here. So these values are stored as text. And if you click here, this error pops up saying that numbers are stored as text, and we have this convert to number option here. When you select this one, now it is converted to number, and as you can see, it is aligned to the right side here when I convert it to numbers. While I can use something like this and go to home, select this one and align it to the center. Right now this is not changed to a text number. I can do aligning, but by default the alignment of numbers are in the right and the text is in the left. So right now I choose to convert these all to numbers. As you can see, converted to number, and the last one also converted to number. Now if I use this function again, so I drag it here, it will automatically copy the function. If I double click here, as you can see, the sum is used here. Now because right now these are numbers, we have the total here, so we can drag the function to get the total of all the months in the bottom.